If I told you you could build a Shopify store with AI in under 60 seconds, would you tell me I'm crazy? Guys, this is possible not because I'm a genius, but because I found a platform, Debutify AI, that actually helps you do this. Today in the video, I'm gonna go through a lot of the features they do, but I want it to be very, very clear. The time for spending weeks, months, years building the most perfect Shopify store so you could sell your products is over. Okay, AI is in, and projects like Debutify AI are finding ways to make life so easy for us, we can literally build stores, do what we need to do in clicks of a finger. Now guys, this is really interesting because now it's gonna allow the people that never knew how to use a bit more of the technical side of dropshipping to become dropshippers by using Debutify AI. So let's get into it. Now, when starting off in dropshipping, guys, even myself, I used to spend so long trying to build these stores, dragging things around, making sure the borders are the right way, changing the color themes. And I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was constantly progressing. I thought I was becoming a dropshipper. 4 months later, when my store was actually built, I have got nowhere. All I've done is spend money and I haven't made a single bit of improvement on becoming a dropshipper. That's why this is so special, because it takes all that part away from you so you can stay hyper-focused on what you need to, and that is making money in the dropshipping business. All these paid apps, these dashboards getting cluttered, all that goes away with Debutify, guys. So you can literally stay on track to making money and selling your product, because after 3 months, I promise you, of building a store, you start to think, is this actually going to work? Is this real? I've spent a lot of time on this now. And unless you're financially free already, it's just not suitable to do. They remove all the BS for you. Watch this. I simply just click AI build store. I import a product and everything is being built for me. The product page, the homepage, the reviews, even the brand logo, the AI optimized to convert. Guys, this is absolutely mind-blowing. But that's not where it absolutely prints the money. The money is printed mostly in the widgets built for one job. There's 80 plus widgets that are gonna allow conversion inside your dropshipping store. Now you can actually get the sale easy using these. Now you don't need to use all 80, but choose the ones that are optimized for you. Okay, you have sticky ATCs, you have upsell bundles, you have cart discount codes, things like scarcity timers. Everything is there at your fingertips. Whether it's trust badges, cross-sell pop-ups, or just your recently viewed widgets, everything is going to be given to you at the right time, optimized, so you can make sure that your store is running at full efficiency. Now, if you were going to pay for all these apps individually, building your own store, it's going to be over $300 just for the app installation. Never mind the fact of everything else you get with the optimization here at Debutify. Now, I'm not just saying this because I've read some sort of wording document from the company saying, hey, this is how good our system is. I'm doing this because there is thousands of people already making over $80,000 a day, including myself, by using this. And that's why it's so special. So guys, if you want to take out all the BS, take out all the mistakes, take out all the time that you're gonna spend doing something that you're not a professional at, you need to be using this and you can start making money instantly. That is the key to this. And guys, when you compare this to anyone else, there is no one like this with the real case studies, with the real results that can show you that this is working for people. It's not just speaking, it's not just ambition, it's not just someone saying this is the dream to have, it's here now. Why don't you use it to make money? And when you put this together with what I always talk about on this channel, fulfillment, okay, you can have two things working coincide, making you an absolute fortune with very little work. Now, I don't want to say very little work too often because it makes you think that I'm saying it's easy. It's not easy, it's very hard. But we're finding the ways to make it easier for you so you don't have to go through the same mistakes as me. So if you go to fulfillment.com right now, you're going to see it's a huge fulfillment center, and then partnering with Debutify is going to be the biggest thing in the dropshipping space, okay? Because fulfillment take care of all your fulfillment needs, whether that is the private line shipping, the brand photography, anything. Once you have your Shopify store built that Debutify is going to help do, you need fulfillment to make sure the operations work. And I promise you, dropshipping will never be as easy as this again. If you take my advice, you're going to soar in the dropshipping business. If you don't take my advice, you probably will soar because I believe in you. But it's going to take you a lot more work, a lot more energy, and you're going to have to get ready to lose a lot of money and make a lot of mistakes. That's something I just don't want to do anymore. So guys, do me a huge favor. Get involved with Debutify today. Hit up fulfillment to get your operations running and get making money. I'll see you next time.